What yang paling automation? You sure they'll have ice? It's not like some random one. This one works. I don't know. Let's see if it actually is. Stay. Hello, boys.
Hello? Oh.
Maju loh. Bego. Oh, udah angry nih. Udah keluar jeep drivingnya.
Oh shit, the energy. Wow.
Why are they driving slow?
Cepetan.
Gimana tuh? Halo bos.
Halo, bos.
Speed limit.
Speeding, bro. He's speeding.
Speeding
Catch
apaan
him.
sih? Speeding dia. Apaan sih?
All the time. He's speeding all the time.
New driver. Hello.
Hi.
Masa kerja di City Oson, kita hiking di City Oson nggak di diskon? Gimana sih?
Salty.
Apa ini? Why so close suddenly, huh? Why so close?
Don't come close to me. I'm gonna
gini
raise
loh.
gas.
No, we get.
No, you can smell it.
Why are you running? Why are you running? Why are they running?
Go.
Welcome back. Second Jono driving experience.
Yeah.
How much do we trust him?
No.
Not much.
Zero.
No.
There's no leg space even for me.
Gua kira dia nggak bisa nyalain mobil.
That's actually a potential problem when we drive with Jono Lim.
Awas jangan ditabrak gitu.
Nggak boleh turn setirnya sebelum mobilnya jalan.
The car has to move a little bit
Yeah.
for you to.
Nanti hydraulic
Bro.
Handrem.
Itu belum driving. Drive. Urut to drive.
Press the brakes. Go to D.
Yeah. Pelan-pelan ya, soft on the gas. Baru muter setirnya. Gitu.
Wow.
Balas kiri, langsung
Balas
cepat
kiri.
jalan, ayo.
Ya. Membawamu.
Park locked at 5 p.m.
Hah? Gak apa-apa.
Not- we're not-
What are you worried about that? Just drive.
Gimana rasanya disetirin?
A bit anxious, always a bit of anxiety when
Especially when
someone
we're
without a
down
license
the
drives a
cliff,
car.
On a scale of 1 to 10.
If it's comfort scale, I'm around. Look at my head wobbling. It's around 3 out of 10.
Left, langsung left.
Wait, what are they doing in the car? Those two guys. No, I'm kidding.
Gue kira bener ada orang.
Yeah, dia langsung excited.
Hey.
Oh, my phone. What was it? I was looking for
Actually,
it.
Not too bad parking. What the fuck?
No, it's not too bad.
Actually,
Very
not too
nice.
bad. Especially I am shit at parking.
Front side is pretty okay.
Wait, actually that's not too bad. What the fuck?
Well done, Jono.
Is it meant to be a fish eye effect, by the way, this thing?
It is very wide. I made it wide so that we can get everyone into the vehicle.
Fuck.
What's up, bro?
Speed dealing?
Speed dealing. We're gonna meet some Perth youths soon. They're
Yeah.
waiting for us for some goods. Got my camera as well to record their faces. We're actually recording for the Baileys. Wait, undercover.
Undercover
From the
cops.
Canningvale Police Department.
The journey starts here. Sobrang lari sih like.
Ngapain nggak bawa jeepnya? Siapa nggak bawa jeepnya?
Ya, siapa yang nggak bawa jeepnya?
Balik ke Jungkel. Kayaknya kalau jalan mama ada
Ngapain ada jeep
sakit
yang nggak
cuy
dipakai?
kalau jalan. Lari aja. Ini nggak sesuai.
Wow.
Langsung hancur bro.
Ngapain mereka?
Nanti udah paling atas sudah paling.
Dia itu ada frame-nya on ya.
Landers. How are you?
Fancy? This check?
Ball check.
I thought that was smoke, by the way. This is the river.
Jonah, how you doing?
Good, good. You?
I'm good, I'm good.
Belum.
Belum. Halo.
Dono, itu ada alpha nih, hati-hati, Dono.
Halo.
Next time I send out proposal.
Ini passion fruit green tea enak sih.
What's up there?
How are you two? Angel, Justin. All good?
Justin. Oh, it's so nice.
Passion fruit
GoPro,
green tea.
GoPro heard it. Passion fruit. Apa? Green tea. Green tea.
Green tea.
Sponsored by Justin.
Sponsored by Justin.
Hey, don't do that. He falls, I fall.
Gantian dulu Jono, turun. Nggak, jump on the other way jumpnya. Your steps? You make it bigger lah. Make it bigger. Simple solution.
Everyone! Three, two, one! Look how cute this is. Look, look, look.
What's up here, guys? Selfie time. Apa, just thinking this. There's no space.
There is! Get in, loser! Get in! Get in, loser! We're going shopping!
Michelle just called you.
No hard feelings.
Nah, makasih ya.
Thank you!
Sorry.
I'm a camera for this, man.
Oh, my pipis.
Lebih jauh lagi. Wait,
Nanda, look at me.
where is it down? Pegang lagi kayak gitu.
I don't have Instagram, man. Where is the photo going? Cute.
So you guys got my auntie.
Ew, wow.
You can't do that, Budi.
Budi.
Hey guys, turn here, turn here.
Hey, you don't get
Siapa
it.
aja? Oke, 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. Turis Indonesia.
You really did your research. I think I got it.
Wait, who said the hike was bad? This is amazing.
Budi.
No, I didn't say the height was bad.
Thank God there's wind.
Nanti turun lagi hilang windnya.
We make everyone FOMO.
By everyone, Audrey.
What is this GoPro?
Michelle nanti nyetir jeepnya sendiri.
Is this on?
Yeah, it's been on the whole time. Mau podcast apa? What?
Morning everyone.
Kok tangannya kayak gitu sih? Tangannya salah dan kayak gitu.
Morning everyone. We're at the top of Walyunga National Park. How are you guys? Today's weather is, I don't know, man. It doesn't.
Welcome netizens. Welcome netizens.
22 degrees.
Feels like 20.
There are no crash around the city at the moment. Everything looks good. Minor traffic at
No fire.
Tonkin Highway.
No fire.
Orang highway.
There are bushfire at Seville Grove yesterday night.
Indos PPWX.
What do you think about the state of Ukraine and Russia?
Too controversial cut.
We can do it. It's a free land here. We can talk about anything.
Honestly though. It's a
Honestly,
free
I'm
land.
not following Russia or Ukraine.
Not following.
Yeah, I'm not following, man. Okay, everyone, let's meditate here.
Ya,
Okay kan?
hilang. Nggak tahu. Let's hope she's okay.
Ada Walmart. Ada Samantha sama kanguru lagi hopping around.
I got internet here. Lagi. Wait, Nanda nggak dapet.
Mundur lagi. Itu di sudah take out kan itunya? Oke.
Yeah.
Take here and here.
Ini dong Adidas juga.
Oh, that's so cool.
Adidas juga.
Taruh di itu nanti group chat.
Is this ini fixed
Apa?
lens?
Iya, fix lens. Baru dari jauh lah.
I don't.
Ada calf juga dong. Wow, dia ada. Damn, I'm gonna wash my sock again.
Do you wanna come up? Tim. That way. Yes. Mundur lagi. What the fuck are you doing?
I don't know.
Gini dong,
Angel,
we're
maju lagi.
facing.
You should have done before and after shoes.
Ngapain?
Foto sama
Dari mana nih?
Photo session after shoes.
Yang mana bro? Yang duluan yang royal.
Hey,
come people lah.
Dia double down parah banget. Lebih jauh dari bisnis.
Try it, buddy. Try it. Next mission, find my iPhone in the middle of this. Like that. Sit, guys. For the view.
Tajam!
Oh shit! What the fuck
What is this?
Jonah, more important question.
Apa?
Is this a swastika?
Ayo.
It's a C9.
Okay, ready?
Count 9.
3, 2, 1.
Kok nggak flash?
Sudah.
Timer. 3
Timer.
seconds.
One
Lagi
more.
ya. It's 3 seconds once I press it. 3, 2, 1, press. Ready?
Indos. The GoPro coming?
Iyalah masih. So much battery, man.
I took it. I'm taking it.
We are on top of Kilimanjaro.
Mount Kilimanjaro.
Yeah, we're all the way in Africa.
How are you, Nanda?
I'm good.
Asik sih, lu boleh datang sih sekali sih. Boleh mas. Banyak, 250 lah. Orangnya mau kerja.
Gak boleh senyum, Bud.
Budi ke kiri dikit.
Pas tengah satu.
Oh, I'm in kanan. Okay, 1, 2. Spring.
Oh,
Usually naik turun itu
Ada bayi baru, bro.
naik dikit.
dari mana kan kita belum makan?
Oi.
Sumpah.
Oi, Ozon, I'll step on it. Yof, hati-hati lah. Ini Budi.
5.7. We're halfway there, guys. Not bad.
5.7?
That was only a half.
Jauh sih.
That was
I mean, no, but that was like the hardest part.
Yeah, it's just going down now.
No, down is harder.
No, we're going up
Down is
one more
harder.
time. We're going up one more time. Ultra, man. Product placement? By Timothy.
Beli Mio juga.
Ini. Keren. Taliban?
Taliban.
Taliban.
Feed. Life like.
Angel, what's Taliban? Siapa yang tanya Taliban?
Kalau misalnya truknya mogok, di Taliban.